Welcome to Introduction to Java Programming. Today is the 5th episode. In this episode we will just learn how to install the IntelliJ, which is coding tool. So first we need to check if we have Java installed. So command is java minus version, and yes, so Java 13 is installed. So please check that. If it's not, then install Java. I'll try to add a link in the description. Okay, let's go to IntelliJ. So we'll type here download IntelliJ, and let's go to this website. Here we can look at two versions. One is Ultimate. This is a license, an expensive one, but we'll go with the community one, which is free and open source. Here we can see that IntelliJ is downloaded. Let's install this. It's pretty simple. You just have to continue with the changes wherever you want to install. So whatever the location is, just press next. So that's okay. So 64-bit launcher, add open. These are a couple of options you can adopt according to your system. So here it is installed, and let's run this or just finish this. And if I type here IntelliJ, here we can see the community edition. Let's select this, and we do not want to import anything. So which version you want? Do you want the dark, that's the Dracula, or the light theme? So next, you don't have to worry about all these options. Okay, so here now we can create a new project. Just click on this option here, select this is our Java version that's installed. Just select this Java, that's it, nothing to be changed, and press next. Here we want to create a project from template. That's simple command line. I will show you. This will create a class with the main method. What is the project name? It's first Java, or we can say Java 1.0.0.1. This is the location it will save. So let's say I want to save it here, and here we can say com dot some extension, so learn dot Java. Okay, this would be the package, the base package name. So it says that this does not exist. Let's create this. Now it's loading the project. Close it, and here is your project. We can see here, if we go into the now first of all, if there is any tooltip like this, just click on fix, configure automatically. Yes. Okay, here if we go to here, this is our main class. Here we can print our message, that is hello world. Okay, let's run this. So this is the source code. Whatever file you create will be displayed here, so you can switch between different files when you run. So here it will be run the main class with this button, and here is the output of this small program. Let's create another small program, Java class second. So yeah, we know that we have to create a main method. So let's do short key for system.out.println is out, enter, and it will print. So it's a second hello. Okay, run. Okay, it's not running because it's selecting, it's basically running this one. So let's go here, right click and select second.main. So we want this to run. So as soon as we selected this one, we can see here the output, as well as here in drop down we can see that we have main and second. So whichever class you want to run, you can select that. Let's create another one, new Java class third. Okay, in order to write public static void main, you just have to type ma and press enter. It will automatically write s out and third hello. Okay, now in this drop down we cannot see third because this was never executed. So when you have to execute something first time, this click run here and voila, third hello. Now it will be appearing in this list. So that's how, if you want to switch between 1, 2, 3, so you can switch between your file, and all the open file will be here, so you can switch directly as well. You can close them. Okay, and you can then again open from here. Another thing that's important is, like let's say the project is totally closed like this. If I want to find where is this file, so I'll click on this, it will automatically show me the file here. As I told you, like this is the package thing I explained. This is just the directory structure. Where is show in explorer? It will open up this idea. This is our source code. Here we created the package com.land.java, and here are our classes. Okay, and all these classes, these are Java files. When we compile them, then it generates the class file, which is a machine code. Here we can see that main.class, second.class, and third, this is machine code. So if we open this file, it's like this thing. Can you see here? This is just machine code. Okay, so compiler transform all the Java files to machine code and then run that machine code, and we can see the output here. This is the output part. I hope this makes sense. That's for all. Just let me know if you face any problem, any issue, and which version you actually installed. Thank you. Take care. Bye.